Hello everybody, my name is Beetle, and in today's video I'll be talking about how to create a Minecraft server in 1.16.5. This is only a Java edition video, so I won't be doing Bedrock, and this is works for cracked accounts and premium accounts or Mojang accounts. Don't worry, if you have a cracked account you'll still be able to create a Minecraft server. I'm playing it as well. In today's video I'll be telling you there will be a lot of parts that I will have to make because I don't want to fit it all into a video rack. It'll be hard for me to edit it, and it'll also be annoying for you to watch the full video, so I'll break it down to how to port forward it, how to set up the server with mods, how to put a profile on it, how to change how to ban people, stuff like that. Now that's what I'll be doing in the other episodes, but for now I'll be teaching you the fundamentals of a Minecraft server. So let's start it off. We make a folder called MC server, and that is very intimidating. Let's call it B21 test server. Now we call it our test server, and as you can see, I might as well just put this to large. If you can now see B2 test 1 test server, this is where I'll store my good stuff. So in order to make this happen, you have to download Java for Windows. I have a link to downloading it in the description. So you go to http, just look at the link. I can't even do that. Okay, just look at the link. Click agree and start free download. You do that, and yeah, that's how you do it. And once you download it, which I assume you already have done, I hope, then we can move on to the next step, which is to download Minecraft. Not download Minecraft. We have to go to the Minecraft.net. Download. We have to go to Minecraft download. Go to the download page. We're not here to download Minecraft. No, we're here to get the server software to run our server. So I'm Java Edition. I'll take this, and then it says basically what we have to do is this is the server itself. This is what makes the server. This is what codes the server. So if that makes sense. So we download it. Should download. If you're on Google, it would probably say this file can destroy your computer or something like that. Just ignore it. This from Minecraft, it's not going to do anything, and if it does, it's Microsoft. Why would they put a virus on the computer? So before you tab out, take this, copy and paste this. Just copy it. You don't need to paste it anywhere. Now what we have to do is go to our test server and bring this up here, server.jar. Once you have, you create a new text document, and you will call that start.txt. Now you entered it. I think it was that. Now what we have to do is do that. So that is what we have to download. Now this is basically what activates the server. Java, you don't really need to care about that. This is how much memory you're allocating. It's pretty self-explanatory with the M and the M there. If you want 1 gigabyte, this is the 1 gigabyte. This is good for servers that will be if you're playing with your family or friends with no mods. Really, this is pretty good. If you want to play with some mods and with a small community, then you would need 2 gigabytes. However, if you're gonna be playing with mods on a somewhat formidable server for around 10 people or 15 people, you will need 4 gigabytes. And other than that, you can go up and up and up and up. However, it's not necessary, especially if you'll be playing with just 2 people. If you're gonna be playing, especially if you're gonna be playing by yourself or with your friends, you don't really need 16 gigabytes of RAM. That is used for things like Hypixel. It's not used for Hypixel. Obviously, Hypixel has 100. They have terabytes of storage and maybe even terabytes of RAM. You never know. They have a lot of RAM, and don't know why we're talking about RAR, but what you have to write underneath there is pause. This will come in handy because if there's an error in the command prompt, we will be using command prompt. So if there's an error, pause will come in handy. Now we click save as. Don't click save, we click save as. Start.bat, all files, and then boom. As you can see, it creates a Windows batch file. Just move that out of the way. It creates a Windows batch file. We may as well just delete start.txt, and we might as well just leave that. Now, the moment of truth, we're going to start up our server, but oh, we did it wrong. You need to change Minecraft server. You need to change this to the title of your thing, the title of this jar file. So this file is called server, or a server. I might as well just save it. No point saving it as a batch file because it's already a batch file. And I started again, and as you can see, it worked this time. So you have to change everything according to what I've changed it to. And as you can see, it works now because logs has been added to this folder. And you should see a prompt that would say you need to agree to the EULA. It will come up soon, don't you worry. It's a waiting game. I'll see you when it appears. Now, we have come back and it says failed to load EU. It says you need to agree to the EULA in order to run the server. The EULA, it's almost like the rules of Minecraft servers. You need to follow it. If you want to create like a big server where you actually are setting up payment services, then that's basically, you have to read it when you agree to it. Now you just change it to true. You just click save. All you do is just change that from false to true, and you can just tab out of this and restart it. As you can see, another thing, this is a new folder that's come to our attention. We won't be going into depth just yet. We just want, this will come after this step. Okay, I'll tell you what you have to do and how to use cracked accounts using by the line of code, let's say, on the server properties. As you can see, more files are loaded, and loaded. Now it's gonna create my new folders. It's already created the world folder. It's generating stuff, and yeah, you're just gonna wait around 5 minutes. Not 5 minutes. You're gonna wait around 2 minutes for your server to spawn itself, I guess. So yeah, I'll come back in 2 minutes when this server has spawned. Guys, it says happened. It says done. This means my server has been created in 2 minutes. Maybe different for your one. So yeah, now that the server is created, so we don't need the server up right now. It's created, which is good, but we have to shut down temporarily so we can change server properties so you can allow cracked. So actually, how to allow cracked players into the server. So just write stop. Never click the X button because it can corrupt your world. Now, as it says, press any key to continue. That's when you can just click. You just see down. Now we go to server properties, and then it should say edit. And if it doesn't say edit for you, then click open with, and then that's another way to edit it. And you just click notepad and then you edit. So I'll make this a little bit bigger. Now you can see what this is. I'll tell you in another video, but right now there's really no thing to this. It's just online mode equals true. This is the thing that allows cracked players to join. Change it to, if it's true, data gets sent back to Mojang's authentication servers, which sees, hey, is new person 69 registered to Mojang account. He tried logging into in the Minecraft server, and if it says no, he's a cracked guy, then they'll kick him out. They'll say no, you can't enter. However, if it's set to false, they say no information will get sent back to the Minecraft's authentication servers, which means that your body with the cracked account can easily just walk in. Nothing will happen. No watchdog will kick him out. Nothing. However, online mode equals to false could bring hackers and unwanted guests, so you should always put whitelist onto avoid people from doing that. However, next episode I'll tell you that. So set to false brings cracked players. Set it to true, only people with that boot the game. Yeah. Now you just click save. And yeah, that's about it for this episode. You've created a Minecraft server. Congratulations. Next episode, I'll be telling you the bits and bobs about server properties, what each thing does, and yeah, teach you how to use server properties. And I'll see you in the next video.